Kim's hooked. Oh, it got tripled up. Oh my God, tripled up. Kimber, good job, good job. I had a feeling it was going to be good this morning, but I didn't know it was going to be this good. This has been crazy, guys. It's insane. I'm afraid to put bait in the water. Crazy morning. Hey guys, welcome to another video. We're still in Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Wear your pink. It's guaranteed to catch you more fish. If this video doesn't prove it, I don't know what will. Because we decided to buy bait instead of catching it today, and that was the right call because things got absolutely crazy and insane right away. We kept busy all day. So if you want to see what kind of mess we got into, stick around, check it out. Alright guys, so we made it out to the jetty, trying to find some fishies on the bottom machine, and we're gonna drop some bait. Alright guys, we got lazy today and we didn't catch bait. I bought it. We got some mullet and we got some shrimp. So just to try to save some time this morning to get out here quick, hopefully get on them. Got a little mullet, got a trocar inline circle hook, 3/0 inside circle hook, little fish finder rig. And that's what we're going to send them down on. Hopefully find some nice fish for you this morning. I'm going to do the same thing, pretty much the same setup over here. Got about 30-pound leader, fish finder rig, a little 2-ounce weight, my spin fisher 4500, and ugly stick intercoastal medium rod, medium heavy I think. Kim's hooked up already. She's got one. First drop. Get them, babies. Scooch down a little bit. There you go. There you go. Good job, baby. What do we got here? First drop. First drop. Kim got on them. That was quick. We got a snooker red. Oh, a slot red. He's kind of bottom end of the slot. We usually only take home like the top end of the slot, which is 18 to 27, so we like them closer to 27 and less close to 18. So we'll probably let him go. First drop. Let's see how big he is. 23.5-inch redfish. Let him go? Let him go. All right, Kim says let him go. Just torpedo him back. There we go. Good job. That's a good way to start the morning. Glad we bought bait instead of going, we'd be out there catching it still. Uh-oh, it's a little rocking and rolling. And guys, I'm also going to drop down a little shrimp with a 3/0 Mustad inline circle hook. Same fish finder rig, just a medium rod. The Pin Battle 4000. Seeing other fish sign down there, but we're really looking for, like, you know, sporty fish like reds and snook and stuff out here, and maybe find some others with the shrimp. Kim's at it again. Uh-oh, I got one too. I got a nice one on the shrimp. Uh-oh, we doubled up. Come on, baby. All right, let me Kim's hooked. Oh, it got tripled up. Oh my God, tripled up. Oh my God, I'm coming over your way. God, I have to pull, get some. Uh-oh, God. We got 3 hooked up, 3 hookups. I'll try to get mine in. You just kind of keep them busy, Kimber. So I can, unless, am I hooked up on you? I'm back over here. I don't know if we're hooked together or what. All right, got him out. Let's see what we got. Another red. Shouldn't have put 3 lines out. Uh-oh, chaos and madness right off the bat. All right, come on, Kimber. We get this guy out and then send him on his way. Kimber's still fighting him over there. I got one hooked up on the back here too. This one is nice 30-inch. Come on, babies. All right, you got him? Hold on, I had the hook on the net. Just keep him busy. Here you go. Another 30-inch probably. Holy crap, this is crazy. Crazy fishing. Okay, 2 rods, that's it. No third rod. They just came through. All right, let's see how big this guy is. 33 and a half. Sweet, good job, baby. I got it out. Do we have another one here? Yep. Got another one here. Probably a school of them. They came through. This has been crazy, guys. It's insane. No waiting. All right, he's still fresh because he wasn't fighting. Can you grab that net? Yeah, just underneath my feet. Keep stepping on it. All right, got some here. Come on, baby, right in the net. That might be a... I got it. That's crazy. Oh, sorry, baby. Sorry, Kimber, I just squished your toe. I'm so sorry, Kimber. And let's get this hook out. This guy is a little over 28, so he's going back. Whew. It's crazy. Kimber, sorry. All right, that is one crazy start to the morning. We're gonna send some more mullet out. And Kim's trying to enjoy the last bit of bikini weather while she can before it gets too chilly. So the mullet's paying off. Man, we might have been missing this if we would have been catching bait. So we'll send him back down, and we already got 4 nice reds in the box. Oh, boat. And we got 1 slot. All the rest were over slot. And be careful, guys, because like there's certain areas around here where it's catch and release only zones. So getting hit. Yep. I got him. Oh, nope. Oh, Kim got him. Oh, do I got him too? Yep. Oh, crap. Yep, I got him. I'm trying to get around you. All right, go this way, baby. Oh, double up again. Oh, got a slot there. Hold on, just hold him in the water, Kimber. Just hold him in the water till I get this guy up. I can't just let him go. That's probably that's a slot. This one's not. Here, I'll just get him real quick, Kimber. Here. All right, he's probably right below slot. Chuck him back. And you got him, baby? Nope. All right, I got him. This is insane. Yeah, Kim's a lefty. She does not like reeling these in. This will be number 6. They're just loaded down here today. That's why you gotta use that bottom machine. I'm waiting for you. I can't keep the fish in the water. I got them. And see, you want to keep their head in the, just kind of scooch them towards there. I got it. Oh, there we go. Another. Nice red. Ooh, guys, he's probably about the same. Yeah, just under 32. Ooh, good job, baby. Teamwork. I had a feeling it was going to be good this morning, but I didn't know it was going to be this good. Never know sometimes until you get out here. And so far, killing it. I'm afraid to put bait in the water. They both hooked up at the same time is causing problems. I didn't have to wait to put bait in the water. Kim just hooked up before. I grabbed my mullet, dropped it back in the bait bowl, and she was already hooked up. Good job, baby. You can scooch down if you need to. Kimber, good job, good job. This could be what, number 4 for you? Man, this has been wild morning. I think that one might be upper slot. Crazy morning. We're just sitting right on top of him. I think that's bottom machine doing his work. No, he'll be over. A lot of these will be over. Usually they hang out together in schools of similar size. Oh, there you go. You're gonna be done fishing here, and we haven't even been here 20-30 minutes, maybe. Not even that. What's that? Oh, Kimberly, don't get dizzy. See how big this one is. Another 32-inch. Sweet. Going back. Torpedoes away. Good job, baby. All right, Kim's dropping down. Let's see how long this lasts. All right, we were playing with fire with 3 rods out. 2 rods are a little difficult because I gotta net everything, but I'm gonna send one out anyway. See what happens. You get him? Oh, there you go. Yep. Number 8, I think. That's number 8, right? All right, got the... Oh, you can follow it around? Oh, is it small? What the heck's going on here? No, he's not fighting like that. He's probably just a small red. Maybe it might be a smaller red. Yep. That's a nice slot red. We might keep him. Go on, baby, get him in. There you go. Yeah, that's a good slot red. That's the kind of slot we're looking for. Oh, I'm hooked up too. All right, let me measure this guy real quick. And come on, quit fighting me, buddy. Yeah, he's 25. We'll take him. Put this guy in the box real quick. And I'm hooked up back there. Oh, here we go. This might be a slot too. That might be our second fish. Where are you going, buddy? This side? Maybe not slot. I don't know. He just got a little bit bigger. Oh, I got the line. Can you just open your bail?
I got a fish on it.
No, that's my fish. You're hooked onto me. My hook's in his mouth. All right. Yep. No, you're just wrapped around. Keep your bail open. Yeah, get up, scoop underneath. I don't want to. Yeah. You're free. Yeah, man, he got around that guy's line. What's that? Uh-oh. Yeah, he's all right. No, that's me, Kimber. All right, that's another slot. 25 inch. So, like we say, we like them closer to 27 than 18. That's our 2 redfish. We're gonna skedaddle out of here. If you want to just start scooting over.
All right, Ponce, we're gonna get out of here so Uncle Joe can have his spot. Bye, guys.
So we are gonna skedaddle out of here. We got our 2 redfish, and we're gonna let Joe take our spot and see what we can come up with somewhere else. It's just now the outgoing tide, so Lily has got a little while before her island disappears, so we're gonna kill some time and just throw a little bit more bait out and see what happens. Well, I got about 24 mullet, and so far we've gotten a red on every single drop. So all right, Kim getting hooked up on something. You got him? Get him, baby, get him. Oh, you got him?
Yeah.
All right, where's the net? Can I get the net? I don't know. That looks like another red. Little guy. Little rat red. Here you go. Sweet. That makes number 10?
Yeah.
Wow. They're just crazy today. And he's feisty. Yeah, don't worry, pumpkin pie. Little rat red. He's probably, no, a little about 20 and a half. Here you go, buddy. We didn't find him too long, so he was still fresh to go back. Good job, baby. Oh, I thought I had something. No, I do have something. What the heck? Didn't even know it. Something's down there. He's going up. Where's he going? He's uh-oh. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention to my rod. He's big, whatever he is. Yeah, as long as he doesn't go around that corner, he's got nowhere to go. Man, it's been one of those days, guys. You never know when you come out here whether you're gonna kill it or struggle. Is that another big red?
Yeah.
And there's been plenty of reds lately. A little more heat on him. Oh man, it looks like he got chomped or something. Something bit him, maybe a dolphin. Oh yeah, something did chomp him. Holy cow, that's a big monster. That's probably gonna be the biggest of the day. Can you get his head in there? Okay, I got it, gotcha. Oh man, yeah. Oh, that's a big one. Oh man, this is a whopper. This is an absolute beast. He is a big mammer jammer.
I got it.
What?
I got the net.
Okay, just pull it out. All right, we got him out. All right. See, this guy, somebody's got a big chunk taken out of him. And on this side too. Probably a dolphin or something maybe. Screwing with them. Maybe I doubt it was a shark, but we'll measure him real quick. 36.5-inch red. All right, might have to revive this guy a little bit. There you go, buddy. Just take a breather. When you're ready, you just take off. There he goes. Ooh. That was crazy. Been a crazy day. Something's blowing up on something right over here in this corner. I just snatched up a crab. I don't think he has any claws. No, he doesn't have any claws. And it's a breeder. So let this guy go make some more crabs, or lady go. There you go. There you go, missies. Hopefully you don't get snatched up by a red. Here we go. There, got him. Got something. Yep. What do we got here? It's coming your way, Kimber. Actually, I got him. It's coming in. Is this another red? Oh, kind of feeling like it. Nope, what is that? Oh yeah, that's a red. Yeah. Oh yeah, it just got real dirty real fast, didn't it? Another redfish. I don't know, was it 11 or 12 for the day? That's crazy. All right, we got him. And we got ourselves another. This is a slot red. This is actually just under 27. It's 26.5. Somebody got him right here too, but we already got our fish in the box, so he's got to go back. Here you go, buddy. Right on, babies. Getting him. Something's getting me. Something getting him. Yeah, something got him. Something got him. Uh-oh. What do we got here? Oh, this one's running weird. Is that a jack? What do we got here? Yeah, that's probably a jack. Yep. Jack just got my mullet. Stay away from my mullet. Alright, sending some more out. We only got about 30-40 more minutes to kill, and then Lily can have some island time. Send this one out, Kimber. Am I hooked up? Yep, got something. Got another one. What do we got here? Oh, it just jumped. Another little red. He's trying to get down. Come on, buddy.
Oh, you want me to get the net?
Yes, ma'am. I don't want him to pop off.
Here you go. No, bye.
There you go. He's just a little guy. Yeah. I don't know. What's that? 13? 12, 13? I can't remember. I'm not even gonna measure this guy. Yeah, he's probably lower slot. Here we go. Woohoo! Got him again. Yep. They're just stacked up down there too. They're all slot or not real big ones, but they're eating size technically. Scaring them out of the water. Gotcha. Man, they're feisty too. I don't have to fight them too long. As soon as I get that come on buddy, calm down. Get that hook out of you. That's another upper slot. Here you go, buddy. Man, this has been insane today. Got something here. Freaking got something. Oh, yep, another little slot or little rat red. Kimberly, you're supposed to be getting this. You're supposed to be getting this last one. I'll try to just pop them in. Uh-oh. Trying to get them in one swoop. Ah, there we go. Calm down. Well, I got you down here. Might as well go measure on you. Another feisty 25-inch red. Slickery. All right, guys, on that note, I think you know what time it is. It's the best part of the video. So let's get to it. Right, Punkies? All right, you ready, Punkies? You ready? Good camera too. Good, baby. All right, she got a little dirty. Hang that up. Good times, good times. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thanks for coming along. It was just an absolutely slay day. I lost count how many reds we caught. We got 2 nice slot that I think we're gonna give away to somebody. Anyway, we just absolutely it was insane. We bought bait, which I was just gonna like, let's save some time, let's buy some bait, and it worked out for the best. Sometimes if you pay, it pays off. So, you know, catching bait's kind of fun too, but today it worked out for the best. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, all that fancy jazz. Give this video a big thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it, because we appreciate you guys, and I truly do mean that. And Breast Cancer Awareness Month, early detection is key. It saves lives. Till we see you next time, stay salty.
Bye, guys.